Learn list comprehension, a smarter way of processing and creating lists in Python. Welcome to EcoFarm, a futuristic organic farm powered not just by sunlight and soil, but by smart code and automation. Meet Ria. She's not just a farmer. She's a tech-savvy automation expert, running an entire farm with the power of Python, with sensors monitoring every corner and data flowing by the second. Ria needs something fast, clean, and reliable. Her secret: list comprehension. So, what exactly is list comprehension? Think of it as Python's shortcut. A one-liner that creates a new list from an existing one. It's perfect for building, filtering, and transforming data. Faster than traditional loops. And way more elegant. Let's compare. In the traditional way, you start with an empty list. Then write a loop. Append each value after doing the math. But with list comprehension, it's one clean line. All done in one go. Readable, reusable, powerful. Use case 1. Convert kilograms to grams. Ria's harvest weights come in kilograms. But her inventory system only understands grams. Instead of looping through every weight, she writes just one line. Multiply each weight in the list by 1000. Boom. Instant conversion. From 0.5, 1.2, 0.8 and 2.1 kilograms to 500, 1200, 800 and 2100 grams. Simple and smart. Use case 2. Filter right produce. The sensors know which produce is ripe, but the market only wants ripe ones. So Ria says, give me all items where the status is ripe. And just like that, carrot and lettuce are ready for market. Tomato stays back. No drama. Just clean filtering. Use case 3. Calculate total daily yield. Every plant sends its yield data. Ria wants a quick sum of the day's performance. Using list comprehension inside the sum function, she gathers the total with clarity. From 0.3, 0.4, 0.2, 0.5 and 0.35, the system instantly reports 1.75 kilograms. And just like that, Ria knows exactly how well the day went. So why use list comprehension? Because it's fast. Because it's readable. Because it makes your code look and feel pro. Python gives you the tools. List comprehension teaches you to use them smarter. What will you build with it? Data cleaner, sensor transformer, instant calculator. Try it, use it, and fall in love with elegant Python code. Automate smart, code clean, learn fast, master Python with AI Council. Get hands-on projects, get certified, and launch your career in tech. Visit www.acouncil.in or message us on WhatsApp at +91 742866 1107. We'll help you grow your skills, just like Ria grows her crops, with precision and power.